Empower your child's financial IQ, education made fun. Finance for kids is a necessary 21st century skill. It is a skill that teaches kids to manage their finances, i.e., to earn, budget, save, invest, and protect money intelligently. Kids need to develop good financial habits early in life so that they can manage their money better when they step out into the real world. Teaching kids about money is important for their future financial success and well-being. Here are a few important tips to help you achieve the same for your kids. Age-appropriate financial education. There is a need for a gradual approach as regards imparting financial education to kids as they grow from 3 to 11 years and evolve from kindergarten to grade 5. Kids at younger ages need to learn the basics concepts of what money is, counting bills and coins, making a purchase, and getting the due amount back. With age, they can be introduced to concepts of saving, investing surplus money, and risk-return relationship while making investing decisions. Parents should start by introducing the basic concepts of money and its value to kids in early childhood. High school kids must be introduced to investing and financial concepts like the time value of money, rate of interest, inflation and compound growth, and setting realistic financial plans for their life goals. Setting a good financial example. Kids learn from observing their parents' habits and attitudes toward money. They benefit from having open and honest conversations about money with their parents. As such, sharing your own financial experiences and challenges is an important step. Budgeting and saving. To impart financial education to kids, parents can start by encouraging them to delay instant gratification. The idea that they need to save for the next toy because it is twice their weekly pocket money amount needs to be taught and imbibed. The simplest way is to budget their expenses and let them save up for their much-wanted toy. Do take kids into confidence while planning your next car, house, or vacation. Earning and spending. Parents need to explain how their money is earned. Usually, primary school-going kids have a belief that parents have limitless cash that can be drawn from the ATM or swiped off a credit card. Tell your kids how you earn your salary and how you manage your monthly expenses from the limited money. Parents should teach their kids about money from an early age and keep the conversation going as they grow up. Gradually, start giving the kids some financial responsibility. Allow them to manage their own money through an allowance or a savings account. Help them set financial goals and track their progress. Let them learn from their mistakes, and thereby learn to be financially prudent. Join the FinChamps revolution and watch your child soar to new heights of financial intelligence and success.